Hi everyone. Thank you for tuning into the Screener newsletter. My name is Adam Hines and I'm a member of the customer support team here at YCharts. Today, we're going to use a stock screener to identify some value stocks using our new Start from Template feature. Then, we'll further narrow our list to the stocks with low debt to income ratios to gain insight as to whether the company can survive during these uncertain times. Starting from my home page or dashboard, I will go up to hover over Tools and then select Stock Screener from the drop-down. Now, typically, we would start narrowing down our list of stocks by either the modify or adding filter functions. However, our Start from template allows us to bypass this and easily begin with some filters already added. The templates can be found by selecting the screener title in the top left, and it should be the first option from that drop-down. By selecting this, you'll see our different templates broken down by category. For today, I'm going to choose value, and this first, attractive relative metrics against the market. Scroll down and hit Start. Now these are my criteria, but I encourage those of you following along to take a look at our other templates for some other good idea generation starting points. Back to my screen, we can see that the template has already saved me a bunch of time by applying several different filters and narrowing down my universe to 38 securities. The template will also bring in those filters as columns in our table below. Next, I want to narrow down this list even further by sector, so I'll add another modification to the list. I'll select Modify, and I want to exclude some sectors here. So I'll scroll down to Sectors, and for today's purpose, I want to exclude the energy sector. So I'll hit Energy and then select All, and also make sure to toggle the Exclude button instead of the defaulted Intersect. I'll then hit Submit and see that this filter has narrowed down our list even further to just 30 securities. Finally, I'm going to add a metric filter to our existing relative metrics to view companies with low debt when compared to their income. So I'll head to Add Filter. I'd like this filter to be an equation, and then I'll enter our metrics. We're going to use total long-term debt divided by the net income. And I'd like this to be less than 0.4. I'll then hit Submit and see that this leaves us with 7 equities, ranging from large to small cap. Bringing in my Quickflows button on the far right, I'm able to enter some of these companies to perform further analysis. So I'll like to choose Comparison, and then I'll be able to enter some of these stocks that are attractive to me. So I'll just enter a few here. And then you'll see it populates with some options that I can jump into for further analysis. I'd like to view their performance and how these stocks have done over the last few weeks. So I'm going to head down to the performance chart and select that option. Now let's pull me away from my screen and into the fundamental chart tool so I can see how these selected stocks have performed. To get back to my screener, all I have to do is hit the back button, or I can also get back into Quickflows to perform some further analysis. So if I jump back to my screener, I can also save this. Note that this will not replace the template that we open with, but instead save this as a stock screen to your account. That does it for our demonstration today. If you have any questions about the workflow we use today or want to learn more about the Start from templates, please reach out to your YCharts contact.